If you want to scan a document with your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, what you need to do is we need to open the camera, and then once you have the document in front of you, if you point at it, you will see these yellow lights around the document. So when you see these lines, you should also find an icon on the left side, this T icon. You can actually tap on this icon in order to capture the photo, and we can see these lines which are indicating the area that is detected as the document. We can of course retake if we want to, but if it's good enough, then we can tap on save in the top right corner, and then the document is saved. In case you cannot actually scan the document, you can tap on these dots over here, and then we are looking to go to the camera settings, and over here make sure that scan documents option is enabled. After that, you should be able to, let's say, open the gallery and find your document over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.